Hello everyone. In this video, I will show how to project the azimuth circles. Azimuths are angular directions marked at their intersection with the horizon in clockwise direction, starting from the north as 0 degrees. All azimuth circles will pass through the zenith and will intersect the horizon. Azimuths are marked at intervals of 10 degrees, 5 degrees, or even lesser, depending on the size of an astrolabe. So let's start. Continue from where it was left after projecting the prime vertical circle. First, mark the center X of the prime vertical on the meridian line and draw a perpendicular line to this meridian line, passing through the center of prime vertical. Mark a point A on the horizontal line, passing through the center of prime vertical at an angle alpha with the zenith Z. ZA is the radius of azimuth circle at an angle alpha. Draw a circle of radius ZA, keeping A is the center. Similarly, draw another circle on the opposite side having the same angle as the previous one. By drawing two circles on the opposite side of the meridian line, 4 azimuth markings are obtained. Example, if azimuth is marked at 5 degrees, then the azimuth circle between east and north is 85 degrees, east and south is 95 degrees. Similarly, on the other side, the markings of the azimuth circle are at 265 degrees and 275 degrees. Now let's find the formula. Mathematically, 2 points are required. First, the position of the center of azimuth circle of angle alpha along the horizontal line passing through the center of prime vertical, and the radius of the azimuth circle at an angle alpha. First, let's see how to find the formula for the position of center of azimuth circle. First, mark the center X of the prime vertical on the meridian line and draw a perpendicular line to the meridian line passing through the center of prime vertical. Mark the point A at an angle alpha from the point Z on the horizontal line passing through the center of the prime vertical. In the right angle triangle ZXA, tan alpha is equal to XA upon ZX. Therefore, XA, which is the distance of the center of the azimuth circle from the center of the prime vertical X, is equal to ZX, which is the radius R of the prime vertical into tan alpha. Now let's see how to find the radius of azimuth circle. In right angle triangle ZXA, cos alpha is equal to ZX upon ZA. ZA, which is the radius of the azimuth circle at an angle alpha, is equal to ZX, radius R of the prime vertical upon cos alpha. Draw a circle of radius ZA at a distance A from the center X of prime vertical. The obtained circle is the azimuth circle at an angle alpha. Similarly, draw another circle of the same radius on the other side of X at a distance XA. This is how the azimuth circles are drawn at different angles. In the next video, I will show how to make unequal R's on the front side of the astrolabe. Please subscribe to my channel to get updates on the upcoming videos on how to make an astrolabe.